So we started by cutting out pieces big enough to cover each piece. Using Elmer's glue stick, I stuck the first piece of fabric onto the back of where number 1 is on the pattern, and using another quarter rule, trimmed it down, and with the second piece of the fabric that was required, added it to the back, and then made sure it was in the right position, held the two together and sewed all the way through the papers on the lines. As you can see, you sew between 1 and 2, sew between 1 and 3, and keep adding your pieces that way. The beak is obviously a different colour to the eye, and just carried on, keep adding and adding until I'd covered all the pieces. As you can see all the stitch lines where I've sewn through all the paper, adding all the pieces onto it. And once that was done, and you trim it down to the 1/4 inch all the way around, you get the final piece. Now, normally I wouldn't sew through the paper, so what I do is I fold the paper back and stitch close to the fold of the paper. That way it means I can carry on using that template over and over again. As you can see, this piece has got no stitched lines through it. And when you peel the paper off the back, you do occasionally get bits of paper left on, which you can see. Sew the two pieces together, right sides together, and you get your parrot puzzle piece. There you can see so far I've made 6 of them.